Yes.
جاء في القرآن الكريم قوله تعالى أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ولقد كتبنا في الزبور من بعد الذكر أن الأرض يرثها عبادي الصالحون. فلو سمحتم سيدي نسمع شرحا لهذا.
That's correct. But you can read this in detail in Tafsir Kabir by Hazrat Muslim. He has commented on this verse in detail, and the time now is very short. In fact, it is over, and this verse requires a special treatment, and it will require about 40 to 45 minutes to explain it in detail. So this is not the right forum. But anyway, I understand you know it already. You must have read it in Tafsir Kabir, and because you are from Palestine, you want me to tell everybody what is going to happen to Palestine. Is that right? Yes. It will, inshallah, come under the sway of Ahmadiyyat one day. That is what it means. Yarithuha ibadiyas salihun means, in reality, that the ibadiyas salihun of that day will inherit it. Because at present it is in the hands of usurpers. So it will ultimately come to the ibadiyas salihun. And this is the glad tidings which has been given. But that glad tiding also covers a dangerous state of affairs. Before this happens, it will not be in the hands of the ibadiyas salihun. A phase was to come when this land was to be captured or usurped by non-salihin. So the Holy Quran tells, don't lose faith. We know it, and we tell you that ultimately this land is going to be captured by ibadiyas salihun. They are going to inherit it. That is in a nutshell what you perhaps wanted me to tell everybody. Is that right?